My name is Tom, and my kitchen is very quiet this morning. I open my refrigerator and I see only a bottle of water. Logic tells me that I need to go to the store immediately. I wear my favorite blue t shirt and my comfortable blue jeans. I take a small piece of paper and write a shopping list. I need eggs, milk, pasta, and some fresh vegetables for dinner. The sun is bright as I walk to the big supermarket nearby. I am satisfied with the quality of the fresh air on the street. I take a red shopping basket at the entrance of the store. The supermarket is very organized, clean, and full of bright lights. My blue eyes look at the many rows of colorful food products. I feel a lot of positive energy and some creative inspiration today. I start my mission in the fruit and vegetable section on the right. Everything looks ultra realistic and very masterful in this high quality shop. I see a young woman with short auburn hair standing near the peppers. She wears a green linen shirt and a beautiful silver necklace today. She is looking at a red bell pepper with a very professional look. I am satisfied with the stable and calm atmosphere of the grocery store. I want to buy a good pepper too, but I don't know which one. I am a proactive person, so I decide to ask for some help. Excuse me, do you know which pepper is the sweetest? I ask. She turns her head and looks at me with very warm amber eyes. Every detail of her smile is ultra detailed and looks very friendly. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of this meeting. I believe that asking for advice is a very logical part of shopping. She holds the red pepper and explains why it is a high quality choice. Her name is Chloe, and she says she loves cooking healthy meals. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of our first little conversation. She has a very kind voice, and she looks very happy to help. We're moving to explore the other vegetables on my list. Chloe shows me the fresh basil and says it smells absolutely masterful. I take a bunch of basil and put it into my red basket. I'm satisfied with the quality of the herbs and their green color. Logic tells me that fresh ingredients make a high-quality dinner today. We walk together towards the section with organic pasta and oil. Chloe tells me she is a food blogger and creates recipes for a living. Cooking is like art, Tom. You need the right colors, she says. I am satisfied with her creative inspiration and her proactive style today. I feel very successful because I am learning about high-quality food. Every detail of the pasta boxes is ultra realistic and very masterful. I am a proactive student, so I listen carefully to her advice. We talk about the importance of using high quality olive oil for health. Everything feels organized, stable, and very logical in this supermarket. My blue eyes are bright as I watch Chloe choose some small tomatoes. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my day. I believe that every shopping trip can be a high-quality adventure. The atmosphere in the store is full of active and positive energy. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we are building. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of every minute. Every second of this encounter is useful and very interesting for me. Chloe suggests a logical recipe for a simple and masterful pasta dish. I feel a lot of creative inspiration for my dinner tonight. Logic. I'm a proactively acting man, and I like this new creative flow. My blue t-shirt is clean, and I feel very confident and stable. We reach the section with milk and eggs at the back of the store. Every detail of the refrigerator is ultra detailed and very masterful. I am satisfied with the quality of the products and the information. The supermarket is a very interesting and high quality place to be. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. We are moving to the final section before the checkout line. We stand near the spices, and Chloe opens a small app on her phone. She shows me a photo of a beautiful pasta dish she made yesterday. I am satisfied with the masterful quality of the food in the picture. I can send you the link to the full recipe she offers. Logic says that having a digital recipe is very proactive and smart. I take my smartphone and we exchange our contact information today. I'm satisfied with the quality of the connection we share in the store. Every detail of the screen is ultra realistic and very clear. Logic. I feel very successful because I am making a talented new friend. The spices around us smell like a masterful and exotic garden today. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly atmosphere of our meeting. We talk about the importance of salt and black pepper in every dish. Everything looks high quality, organized, and very masterful around us. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my day. I believe that our internal logic is the real goal to success. Logic. The atmosphere is full of mutual respect and very quiet, warm joy. Every second in this store is a high-quality lesson for my cooking. I am satisfied with the proactive way we share our masterful ideas. Chloe says that she is satisfied with the vertical quality of our talk. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration for my kitchen. I am a proactively acting man, and I value these masterful moments. A proactive and friendly interaction is always a new high-quality beginning. Subsurface scattering on the final spice jars makes them look real. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, adventurous logic proactively. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of the busy supermarket. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I is Tom, and my masterful story about shopping continues with a smile. Every detail of our conversation was a high-quality, masterful adventure. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we have. We are moving to pay for our groceries at the checkout counter. We reach the checkout line and place our items on the moving belt. I see my eggs, milk, pasta, basil, and the red pepper in a row. I am satisfied with the masterful selection of food in my basket. Chloe has many green vegetables and some high-quality fruits too. Logic tells me that our baskets show a very healthy lifestyle today. The cashier is a friendly man who works very fast and masterfully. Everything looks organized, clean, and very logical in this final step. I feel a lot of positive energy as I talk to Chloe about my plans. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly atmosphere of the supermarket. Every detail of the coins and the banknotes is ultra realistic today. I'm a proactive person, so I pay for my groceries with a card. I believe that a successful shopping trip is a great goal for the day. The atmosphere is full of active energy and the sound of the bags. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my mission. Chloe finishes her payment and smiles at me near the exit door. We talk about meeting again to share our cooking results soon. I am satisfied with the quality of the connection I found in the store. Every second of this checkout process is a masterful part of my day. Everything looks high quality, organized, and very masterful on this terrace. I feel the stability of my life and the joy of a new connection. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of my proactive life today. Every detail of the bags is ultra detailed and looks very real. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. I feel very successful and happy with my masterful grocery day. The afternoon light is orange and very beautiful on the store windows. I am satisfied with the quality of the masterful supermarket afternoon. I am moving towards the exit with a heavy but happy basket. I'm a proactively acting man, and I value these masterful moments. We are moving to the street to say our final neighborly goodbye. We are moving to the final conclusion of my shopping story. I walk out of the store and feel the weight of my shopping bags. The sun is lower in the sky, and the street is full of warm colors. Every step I take feels more stable and more successful than before. I am satisfied with the quality of the fresh vegetables in my hands. My blue t-shirt is cool in the soft breeze as I walk toward my house. Logic says that my simple shopping trip became a masterful adventure. I am a proactive person, and I feel very successful in my heart. Every detail of the city at sunset is ultra realistic and very bright. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration for my dinner. I reach my apartment building and look up at my high quality windows. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond one made with Chloe today. I believe that proactive communication is the key to a masterful life. The atmosphere is full of life and very happy sound of the street. My red pepper is a symbol of my growth and my masterful day today. Every second of this walk is a high-quality memory for my mind. I'm satisfied with the proactive use of my masterful afternoon minutes. I enter my apartment and place the bags on the kitchen table carefully. I am simplify my feelings about the empty fridge I saw before. My kitchen feels more colorful and more masterful with my new food. I'm satisfied with the quality of the change I made for myself today. Tomorrow I will wake up with a new and energetic vibe for my work. I is Tom, and I am proud of my simple and powerful masterful story. The sun is gone, and the moon is bright and clear in the sky. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond one found. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. Logic. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live today. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. Good night, city, and thank you for the food and a masterful friend. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. I am ready for the new dreams and the new successful mornings. I am standing in my kitchen, wearing an apron over my blue t-shirt. I am chopping the red bell pepper with a very high-quality knife. Every detail of the vegetable is ultra-realistic and looks very fresh. I am satisfied with the quality of the masterful dish I am creating. I follow the recipe Chloe sent me on my digital smartphone screen. Logic tells me that a plan makes every cooking process very masterful. The smell of the fresh basil and the garlic is absolutely masterful today. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration in my house. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly bond one share with my new friend. I believe that good food is a very high-quality part of a happy life. The atmosphere in the kitchen is warm, professional, and very cozy. Every second of this cooking session is a masterful part of my day. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my grocery trip. I put the pasta into the boiling water and watch the steam rise slowly. I am satisfied with the quality of the high quality organic ingredients. Everything looks organized, clean, and very logical on my kitchen counter. I feel very successful because my dinner looks exactly like the photo. I'm a proactively acting man, and I value these masterful moments. Subsurface scattering on the final sauce makes it look deep and real. Every detail of my day was a high quality, adventurous logic proactively. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of the boiling water and the fire. The world is a very interesting and high quality place to be tonight. I, as Tom, and my masterful story about cooking ends with a smile. I put the dinner into a white bowl and take a photo for Chloe today. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we have. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. I sit at the table and enjoy the first masterful bite of my pasta. Good night, city, and thank you for the recipe and the masterful friend. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. I am ready for the new dreams and the new successful mornings.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.